Hello, everybody. Hi again. Welcome back. So this is going to go over the next part of this week's assignment. So week 5. Um, so this was the one we went over in the last video. So this one that says copy of ecosystem, it says pollution solutions on it. You'll click on that to open it. Oh, I'm going to sneeze again. My allergies have been kicking up this week. And yeah, I've had to redo a lot of videos, and I'm hoping this one won't be one. So this is the slideshow that you'll be using. Let me go to last week's, or not last week's, but the other assignment. So if you remember in the last video, we looked at this. We looked at these issues that you can choose from. Hopefully you chose one, maybe did a little research on environmental issues. I like doing ones in Utah because it's closer to home. Maybe the Great Salt Lake, since we've been learning about the brine shrimp there. There are some issues, environmental issues in there. So that after you choose that one, you'll come over here and open this like we did in Google Classroom, open up this other slideshow, and it should make a copy for you. And this is yours to use to do your assignment on. So if you look, it says to just you'll type in your name there. Hi, I am, type in your name, right? Delete it, type in your name. I am here because I want to discuss, again, delete that, and type in what the issue is that you decided to choose to do your report on. And so each slide it kind of gives you some instructions. Again, this is your assignment, and so do it well. Type in, complete thoughts, complete sentences when you can. Try to use evidence from your research. So before you start doing this, you're going to want to do some research, although you might want to open this up so that you can use it to do your research. So like this slide says, what causes this issue? If you chose an invasive species like the quagga mussel, then that's something you could look for as you do your research. What causes the quagga mussel problem? Why is the quagga mussel an issue? Where did it start? How does it spread? Things like that. This is how is nature affected by this environmental problem? Couple text boxes. Again, just click and type. You could add pictures if you want. If you know how, you can insert an image. And you could, usually people just search the web and it pulls up a little search bar over here. And you could, I'm going to say that I did the quagga mussel as my thing. I'm going to get rid of my webcam here so it's out of the way. I could just select a picture, insert, and it should pop it right on that page. Boom, I can resize it. I can move it around. You know the drill. So I'm going to go back so it gets rid of it. Cool. So there you go. You'll just go through this and do something on each slide that says what are the long-term and short-term effects. So just let this slideshow help guide your research on the problem that you chose, and then come back here and type in what you're learning. So this assignment is mostly just for you to go do, pick something, choose something that you're interested in, and do a little research about it, about the issue that it is, and then report on it. Share it with other people, specifically with me, and we'll see about maybe how we can share those online with other students too. So consider that. Consider doing this well, that it will be shared with other people in the class. How does this problem affect me? Maybe it doesn't affect you directly, but you can think of how it might affect you indirectly, right? Maybe it doesn't exactly affect you, but so for example, the quagga mussels, like they're not really affecting me, but they can mess up the water where we get our water from, the reservoirs. They can clog up pipes. They can ruin recreational things, right? They can mess up the habitat so that's something to look for, right? How does it affect other issues that then could lead to affecting you somehow? Plastics in the ocean, right? We're not near the ocean, so it's not like we're swimming around in plastic trash, but obviously the plastic in the ocean could harm the organisms that live in there, maybe the fish, maybe the fish that we eat. or maybe something else. It leads down kind of a chain of events that somehow affects us, right? Maybe it pollutes waterways that then cause other issues with our water, or with precipitation or other things like that. Also, maybe the money, the cost of cleaning it up. Maybe it affects me because I have to pay higher taxes or something to help eliminate the problem. That's an issue too. So I wanted to give you some ideas to help you think about how it could be affecting you, instead of just putting it doesn't, don't put that. Try to think of, do some more research and really dig in to find out how it affects you. That's important. What are some things that are already being done? So you're going to research ways that humans are already trying to fix the problem. What are we doing about it? So the quagga mussels, I know that they have like check stations. They have boat cleaning places, so you can get your boats cleaned off if you've been to a place that has the quagga mussels. They check your boats before you enter, like Sand Hollow Reservoir, to make sure you don't have it, and they ask you if you've been anywhere that has it, things like that. There's also things they do to like get rid of them in the lakes. They look at poisons or other chemicals to put in there that could kill them, but maybe it kills other fish too. So you're just looking at other solutions that people already are working on, and then you're gonna type in what you think. What solution can you come up with? What do you think we should do? Um, do you think we should just educate people? Do you think we should pass some laws to help eliminate the problem? Do you, right? That kind of thing. Those kind of things are things to think about. So this is your assignment that you'll work on the rest of the week, and you should hopefully get it finished up by Friday. And you can turn it in. And yeah, don't forget on Google Classroom to turn in your assignments when they're done. Yours will look a little bit different, but over here on the right-hand side, you should see a turn in button. I think that this slide showed this slide thing too will be up here on the right-hand side. So that's the only problem. I wish this presented it the same way it does for you. But there you go. Take your time to do it well. Do some research. Enjoy learning about something new, and dig in and find out as much as you can about it. And it's your chance to come up with a solution too. Come up with, how would you solve it? What would you do about it? What do you think might be the best way to go about solving this problem? So I hope that makes sense. If you need help, again, let me know. Email me, and I'll get back to you and help you out as much as I can. Thanks, and good luck. Keep up the good work and enjoy your week. We'll see you on the next video. Actually, I will say we'll set up another classroom meeting, virtual class meet on Friday. So look for the link for that to be added to Google Classroom this week. All right, thanks guys. See you later. Bye.